Dye vat cleaning demonstration. I'm not a doctor or a safety inspector. Confirm these recommendations with your health and safety representative.
Let's talk about how to clean one of these dye vats after you've dyed something in it. Open the drain and let the entire bath drain out.
Here's what an empty dye vat looks like.
Use this scrubby brush and the vat supply water to do an initial rinse down. This is the bleach water pitcher, and you use a little bit of it, pour it over your scrub brush. Usually the area at the very top of the bath is where you have the most stains. So use it to fully clean out the inside as much as possible. Do a final rinse bath so that no bleach residue is left in the bath to contaminate the next dyer's bath. And your scrub brush back on the hook. When you come in and you start to do a dye bath, it can't hurt to do a rinse down, just in case whoever cleaned it before you didn't get all of their bleach scrubbing totally rinsed off the walls. That's the safest way to make sure you don't get a contaminated bath from the person who might have used the equipment before you. Always wear nitrile gloves, because bleach, even though it's a diluted solution of bleach and water, bleach is corrosive to human skin. So don't be alarmed, just don't splash it on yourself if you can help it.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications, and join me every Thursday afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern for my live studio stream.